This video may contain scenes not appropriate for all of ages. Parental guidance is advised. In some part of the video, I may speak Bisaya, my dialect, Tagalog, the national language, and English, which is the international language. This is to accommodate the vast majority of the audience around the globe. Char! Hello guys, BhoyVizhaya here. Welcome to another video. Today I am going to give my review regarding this product that I've bought online. I've used it for 3 weeks now, and I think it's time for me to give my review if this product is really worth buying or if this is really effective. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. BhoyVizhaya! So recently I've been buying a couple of products for my face, and this is one of those products. I've been buying a lot of products in order to, I've been searching and looking for products to help, to lessen my acne, scar, and marks. And I came across on this product, and supposedly I should have used it on my face, but since I've been using a lot of products recently for my face, so I used it for some part because it has claims now. It's good for that certain problems of your body. So the product is the Lanbena Lanbena Scar Removal Stretch Marks Cream. As you can see, it says it's stretch marks. I don't have any stretch marks. At first, I thought I mistakenly bought this product kasi nung pagkabili ko, nung pagkabasa ko, hindi masyadong nag-synced in yung information ng product nito eh. Ang nabasa ko lang is yung stretch marks cream. Tingnan mo. Yung stretch marks cream. Yun lang yun. Kaya sinabi ko, mukha bang stretch mark yung mukha ko? So, it's a good thing as well kasi I thought hindi ko siya magagamit, but now, pero nagamit ko siya kasi may stretch marks pala ako. So, so you wanna see it where?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Here it is. Just kidding. Actually, I took a picture of it, the before and after. So here it is, the before and after. So I've used it for 3 weeks. I used it for 3 weeks, and in that time of span,
Nakakapikon to, hindi ko maintindihan eh, ha? Ha? Nagulo ang English niyan! Sasapakin ko yan!
So in that span of time, I can see there's a little bit, maybe out of 100%, it's only like 10% I can see the result. But maybe ganyan lang yung resulta niya is because 3 weeks lang yung paggagamit ko. The really good thing of this product is it kind of help na mag-prevent na, kasi hindi lang kasi yung mukha ko nagkakatayawat. Minsan kasi I don't know, on this part of my body nagkaka-irritation din siya, and then nagkaka-sugat-sugat, or let's say pimples on my butt. So yeah, and it kind of help na mag-prevent siya na may tumubo. And now I really feel that it's kind of smooth. It's just that stretch marks lang yung problema niya, and I really don't know why, bakit ako nagka-stretch marks. Sabi nila dahil daw sa taba. Hindi naman ako mataba daw. Chaba lang naman ako. When I was a kid, medyo chubby ako. But then, nagsimula akong later sa elementary, medyo pumayat na ako. and then up to high school, and then college, and then ganito na yung figure ko, hindi na lang tumaba. So maybe that's the reason. And also with it, this stretch marks, ang hirap pag pumupunta ka ng beach or somewhere na kailangan mong suot ng underwear or shorts, kasi pag mag-shorts kasi ako ng mag-underwear ako, nakikita kasi yung stretch marks ko. So it's not, di naman siya nakaka-less ng confidence, but parang nahihiya lang kasi pag nagkaganon. And of course, pag may kasama kang ilang tao, you really have to hide, especially sa mukha ko rin yung pag nakikihalubilo. Before, dami kong tigyawat, but now wala na siya, and then ito na lang mga scars and marks ang natitira. But still, pag communicate, kasi ikaw sa isang tao, when you communicate to a person, so surely hindi naman talaga like diretso kung saan parte yan titingin sa'yo, but of course sa mukha mo talaga. So mukha mo yung first impression niya. Nakalimutan ko pasintabi pala sa mga kumakain dyan. May makikita kayong puwet. Pakiturn off na lang if it's really unpleasant in your eyes. So I've used these products for 3 weeks lang. So maybe if I'll continue using it for a month or two, maybe it gives me like a better result. So it may natitira pa kasi yung ginagamit ko, parang kina-cover up ko siya sa buong part ng cheeks ng butt ko, including the other side. So as you can see on the picture na medyo slightly glasan siya. Ano lang siya, parang nag-smoothen lang yung surface. Other than that, wala masyado akong nakakita. But maybe dahil 3 weeks ko pa lang siyang ginagamit. So my final thoughts for these products, it's really good. I didn't see much difference because I've used it for 3 weeks only. To those who have plans on buying this, you can see it for yourself. But for me, it's worth it kasi hindi naman siya mahal na product eh. And I didn't have any allergic reaction, so I can say that it's kind of safe to use. Okay, I guess that's all for today's video, and if you guys have anything to say, just comment down below, and please don't forget to hug me, love me, So also, please give it a thumb, give this video a thumb, and also share it with your friends, even if it's really unlikable to share. Sa iba ng kaibigan ko, libre blush. Shout out to you, Lord. And also, shout out din sa kapatid ko, ate, sa Japan. So, once again, thank you so much guys for watching, and BhoyVizhaya here. See you guys next time. Mwah! Bye-bye!
BhoyVizhaya!